Hi guys, let's unbox the Ulanzi TT23. This device claims to follow you around 360 degrees without needing separate app or camera operator. Let's open it up, test out the feature and see if it actually lives up to the hype. So if you record videos alone, whether you're filming vlogs, cooking content or tutorial or any other thing, name it on the comment section. You know the pain of constantly walking back to the camera to readjust your frame. Today we are unboxing something that might completely solve that. The Ulanzi TT23 auto tracking tripod. Let's see what's in the box and if it actually lives the hype. Holding this for the first time, it feels pretty steady. Let's see what it looks like. So this is how it looks like, and yeah, I was a little bit scared. So it opens up to 360 degrees, and then where you want it to be, that's where you tighten the screw, and then you pop the pink button down and then it opens. Once you press it, it opens. I was struggling because I'm opening it also for the first time. So it has a lock, as you can see, and then 360. You can put it in portrait or landscape. Yes. And yes, this is how it looks when open, but it opens up to 160 centimeters or 64 inches, I think so. The Ulanzi TT23 goes up to 160 centimeters or 64 inches. It can be used as a desktop when you put it a little bit lower, or use it as a tripod. Yeah, tall floor tripod. A selfie stick. Let me extend it out and I'll show you just here. So this is how it looks. And you can fold it and then tighten the gray part so that it locks up. In short, this is how it looks on a shorter version of it. And this, the way it is, you can put it as a desktop so that you can record as a desktop, or you can extend it. So this is how it looks generally. Let's know what you think on the comment section about the Ulanzi TT23 and comment. Let's know. Don't forget to like the video. You can fold it up the way I'm doing, and it has the camera there. That's the camera that moves up or down depending on the angle you want the tracker to track you. Let's know what you think about it, and then this is how you can fold it so you have it as a selfie stick again. While holding it, it's not heavy, it just feels steady for your videos, and I like it because you can use it as a selfie stick. My first impression, this is honestly a game changer for solo creators. It cuts down setup time, give you video dynamic movements, and function as a full standard tripod when you want it to stay still. Things to keep in mind is that it works best in a good lighting so that the built-in sensor can detect your face easily. When extended all the way to 64 inches, you'll want to make sure the tripod base is set on a flat ground. So on the shorter version, this is how it looks on the ground, on the flat surface, and it's steady. Let's know in the comment section what you think about the Ulanzi TT23. It extends up to 64 inches, about 160 centimeters, which is plenty of height for standing shots or full body movements. Once you turn it on, now for the main event, the built-in AI face tracking lens. What makes the TT23 cool is that it doesn't require an app. You just power it on and the built-in optical sensor locks onto your face right away. Don't you think that's a game changer? Let's know in the comment section. Look at that. As I move side by side, it smoothly rotates 360 degrees to keep me right in the center frame. It also supports gestures control, so you can start or pause the tracking just by holding up your hands. After a quick hands-on test, here's my quick breakdown. What I like: zero app setup, just click and record. Number 2 on the things that I like, it works as a standard selfie stick. desktop stand, or a tall tracking tripod. Number 3, it's the removable remote, perfect for standing, stopping, recording from a distance. Let's know in the comment section, what do you think of the Ulanzi TT23? If you are a user, let's know in the comment section. Tell us what you feel about it, and if you are planning to buy, tell us if this it's worth your money. Bye bye till next time.